In today's Feature Friday, we will be reviewing rental items and how they work within your account as well as within proposals. So starting out, we are going to hop into the Rentals tab here, and then we are just going to go ahead and add in a new rental item. Right, and doing that, you'll definitely always want to make sure that the pricing category is set for your rentals. And then we'll just come down and add a name here. So name it a gold votive. And then after naming it, I can come down and set the price that I will want to charge for using this votive within my events. So maybe about $6. Then I'm going to input the inventory quantity that I have for this item. Alrighty, and then also if I had an image, I would just click here to get that uploaded. If I already had it in my media library, which I have one here, so I'll just grab that one. Or you can also click upload here at the very top right to pull an image from your computer. So I'm going to add that image there. And then if I click the little plus button here at the bottom right, that's going to allow me to add in variations of that gold votive. So if I had a variation of colors, so I can say gold and black or gold and red, whatever my variations are, I can get those added below within my gold votive rental item. This will allow you to add multiple items of that variation without having to add it separately as individual items, which also lets you take advantage of the number of allotted rental items that you have within your subscription. Alrighty, then I can also add in a photo for the variations as well as if I had that. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and save this here. And then we're going to head back to the events dashboard to open up a proposal where we will go ahead and use that newly added item that I put in there. Alrighty, so coming down, I'm going to go ahead and utilize the Johnson wedding here. Alrighty, so once I have that open, I'm going to come down to my line items and I'm going to get those gold votives added to one of my line items. So just go ahead and utilize this one, and I will name this guest table. Ready? And then I'm going to come over to the pencil tool to go ahead and start adding items for that line item. And I'm going to use that gold votive that I just added. I'm going to use the gold and black one as well as the gold and red one that I added. Ready? And then I'm just going to come over to the right here and I'm going to input how many of those I'm going to need for this table setting. Alrighty, so after I add in my quantity here, I'm just going to come back over to the left. You'll see this calendar icon. This is going to allow you to select the number of days that this item is going to be out of your inventory. So I'm just going to put 2 days with the delivery and then restocking it. Right, once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and save this. Alrighty, and upon doing that, it's going to have the rental overbooked here. And then it's also going to let me know if the inventory is available for the items that I am attempting to use. So currently, for the gold votives I added, it's showing that my inventory is 0 for each of these, but I booked them for 10. So what I can do here now is click Edit Master. This is going to allow me to update my inventory. So I'm going to say that I have 25 of each of these. Ready? And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then if I refresh, it's going to show me that rent to overbook pop up again. And from there, it will no longer be overbooked because I did update my inventory. Alrighty, so as you can see now, the rental overbook, it does not show those gold votives anymore. Alrighty, so I have those added to my line item there. I did upload an image, so if I wanted to, I can click the image icon here to have that show on my line item. Alrighty, from there, I'm going to go ahead and click our hamburger menu here at the top right, and then go into the rentals list. Right, upon going into the rentals list, I'm able to see all of the rental items that I have added to my proposal here. Alrighty, so starting out, it's going to have the name of the item you're utilizing here. If for whatever reason you need to change out any of these items within the entire proposal, you can do so by clicking the pencil tool here. And that will let you swap this out for a different rental item if needed. Alrighty, and then next you're going to have your item photos if you have one added for that rental item. And then it's going to also show the quantity that you need for this event. My expected price, and then status. So these last three columns here are going to be what you are going to work with to manage the inventory for these items. So for my gold votives, I can click the drop down here and say that I pulled those items from my inventory. And I would just click the check to notate that. If I click down again, I can say that they were delivered. And then I can check that as well. Upon them being delivered to the actual event, I would then come in and in the last column here, date in, this is going to be when they are being returned to me. So if it's a different date than here, I can click into here to edit that. So I can say that it's expected 2 days for those to be returned. So I would put maybe Monday they're being put back into the inventory. After doing that, I would come over here to the drop down again and click the return option. And then that's going to block out that calendar from me being able to edit it anymore. I'll go ahead and click the green check mark here. And then I'll see this rental return confirmation. This is going to allow me to input the quantity that is being returned to me from this event. So if I only get 9 back because they broke one, I can update that inventory count here. So I would just go ahead and save. And then if I go out back to the event, I'm going to go back out to the events dashboard and then go into the rentals tab here. Alrighty, and then I am going to pull up that gold votive that I added. Alrighty, so this is the gold and black votive that I had just updated via my rentals list. If we come down here, we can see the inventory history for that item. So it started out at 0, and then I updated my inventory count to 25. And then upon those items being returned to me at the end of that event, I noted that one was damaged and lost, so I didn't get all of them back. And it also updated my overall inventory um, based on what I input on the rentals list. Alrighty, that does conclude our review of the rentals. If you have any questions, just let us know via our chat here at the bottom right, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.